Hi all, welcome to CSEC Mathematics with Mr. Charles. Today we are looking at some computation problems, some word problems in computation, and we have a few questions I will like us to go through. So we will start with the first one on the screen. So it says a girl bought a comic book costing 570 cents and a chocolate bar costing 375 cents. She paid her bill with a $20 note. How much change in cents did she receive? So since we have to provide the change in cents, we have to convert the $20 to cents. So there are, well, $1, right? $1 equals 100 cents. So if $1 equals 100 cents, then $20 would be equal to 20 times 100 cents, and 20 times 100 would give us 2,000, right? So that's 2,000 cents she paid with. So we want to find out her change. So her change would be the 200 cents subtract the sum of the cost for the item she bought, okay, or the sum of the price for the item she bought. So that would be, so her change, like that, okay, her change would be equal to 2,000 cents subtract, and I'll put the sum in bracket, 570 cents, right, plus 375 cents. Good. And 570 plus 375, let's see. So 5 and 0 is 5, 7 and 7 is 14, and 5 and 3 is 8 and 1, 9. So that's 945 cents she spent in total. She spent a total of 945 cents. Now you have to subtract that 945 cents from 2,000 cents. Right? Subtract 945 from 2,000. Alright. So let's see what that would give us. So we could say 2,000 subtract 945, right? We cannot get 5 from 0, and we cannot borrow from the 0, so we have to go to the farthest left and borrow from the 2. Okay, so we borrow 1 from the 2, it becomes 1. We put the 1 here, and we have to continue to borrow. So we borrow 1 from the 10, we put 9 here, we put 1 here to get 10, and we borrow another 1 here to get 9, and we put 1 here to get 10. So 10 take away 5 would give us 5, and 9 take away 4 would give us 5 as well. 9 take away 9 is 0, and 1 take away, well, we can put a 0 here as a placeholder, so 1 take away 0 is 1. Or you could just say bring down the 1. So you get 1,055 cents. Okay, so that's her change. Okay, her change would be equal to, okay, her change would be equal to 1,055 cents, and that's our answer there. Okay, let us look at question number 2. It says here, I had a piece of string 300 centimeter in length. I cut off 3 pieces, one of length 97 centimeters, one of length 53 centimeters, and one of length 112 centimeters. Okay, and the question is, what is the length of the piece of string that I had left? Okay, so we want to find out what length, how long the string would be after we remove the 3 pieces of known length. Okay, so what we have to do first, we have to find the sum of all the lengths cut off. So we would say 97, okay, plus 53 plus 112. Okay, we would find the total length, and then when we get the total length, we would subtract that from the original length, which is 300 centimeter. So 7 plus 3 is 10 and 2 is 12. We put the 12 here, cross the 2, put it under here, cross the 1, put it above the 9. 5 and 1 is 6, and 9 is 15 and 1 is 16. We will write the 16 on the side there, cross the 6, put it here, cross the 1, put it above the 1. And 1 on 1 is 2. So you get 262 centimeters of string being cut off. So to get the length of string left, okay, so the remaining length would be equal to the original length, which is 300 centimeters, subtract the length cut off, which is 262 centimeters. Okay, and the 300 subtract 262, let's work that out. So 300 subtract 262. Alright, we cannot get 2 from 0, so we borrow from the farthest right, which is the 3. Okay, we get 2 here, we put 1 next to the 0 in the tens place, cross it off, get 9. Right, so we borrow 1 from the 10 here, we get 9, and we put the 1 by the 0. So 10 take away 2 is 8, 9 take away 6 is 3, and 2 take away 2 is 0. So we have 38 centimeters of string left. Okay, so that's the remaining length there, 38 centimeters. Okay, and that's the answer. Good. Question 3 says a grocer bought 57 cases of sweet drinks. Each case contains 24 cans. How many cans were bought all together? Okay, so 57 cases, and each one of those cases has 24 cans. So then to get the total number of cans that were bought, right, so you have to multiply 57 by 24, because one case equals 24 cans, right, which is about 2 dozens. So 57 cases would be equal to 57 times 24. Okay, and 57 times 24, let's multiply that. Okay, 57 times 24, 4 7s 28. Okay, 4 5s 20, and 2 is 22. You put a 0 here as a placeholder. 2 7s 14. Alright, cross the 4, put it there, cross the 1, put it over the 5, 2 5s 10, and 1 is 11. They add all that together, 8 and 0 is 8, 2 plus 4 is 6, 2 plus 1 is 3, and then 1. You bring down the 1. So you get 1,368 cans. So therefore, the total number of cans, alright, the total number of cans, right, would be equals 1,368, and that's the answer there. Okay, let's move on to question number 4. It says here a woman saves the same amount each month. After 9 months, she had $1,565. What amount of money did she save each month? Okay, so solution. Okay, so she saved the same amount each month. Okay, so all you have to do is to take the total amount she saved and divide it by the number of months, right? So the amount saved, I'll just say monthly. Okay, or you can say the monthly amount saved is equal to the total amount saved, right, divided by the number of months, right? And the the total amount saved according to the question is $1,565. So $1,565. Right? And then you divide that by the number of months, right, which is 9 months, right? So 9 months. So 1,565 divided by 9. Let's calculate that. Right, 1,565 divided by 9. Right, so dividend divided by 9. 9 into 15 is 1. Remainder, well, 9 ones 9. Okay, subtract that. 15 subtract 9 is 6. You bring down the 6 here. 9 7 63. So 9 into 66 is 7. Okay, 9 7 63. Okay, 66 take away 63, that's 3. You bring down the 5. Alright, 9 into 35 is, well, 9 3 is 27. Alright, so 27. You cannot say 4 because 9 4 is 36. Alright, you borrow 1 from the 3 here, you get 2. You put the 1 next to the 5. So 15 take away 7 is 8, and 2 take away 2 is 0. 9 into 8 is 0, so what you have to do is to put a decimal point here, put 1 here as well, add a 0 as a placeholder, and bring it down. Okay, so 9 into 80 is 8. Okay, and 9 8 72. Good, that's 72. Borrow 1 from the 8 to get 7. 10 take away 2 is 8. Right, you add another 0 again, you bring it down. When you bring it down, okay, you get 80 again. Right, 80, and then you would get the same 8 up here because 9 into 80 is 8. Right, and then you would continue getting 8 8 8 and so forth. Right, so what that means is that eventually this $173.88 or $173.88 would round off to approximately $173.89, because what you would get up here, since the 8 would recur, you would get 173.8888, right, and so forth. Right, the 8 would recur. So because of that, you have to round off to 2 decimal places, because when you're representing money, you use 2 decimal places. Right, so since this 8 is greater than 5, you have to add 1 to the 8 to the left of the line, so you get approximately 173.89. so that's $173.89. so that is the amount that was saved monthly. Okay, or the monthly amount saved, okay, is $173.89, and that's our answer there. Question number 5. On Monday morning, Renee took 6 minutes to walk to the bus stop. She had to wait 9 minutes for the bus. The bus journey took 45 minutes. She then had a 3 minutes walk to her school. How long in minutes did it take Renee to reach to school? Okay, so let's look at the information that the question gives us. So Renee took 6 minutes to walk to the bus stop. So from her home to the bus stop was 6 minutes. Then she had to wait on the bus stop 9 minutes before the bus come. So that's 9 minutes, right? And then the bus journey took 45 minutes, right, to the drop-off point. 45 minutes to reach the drop-off point. Then she had to walk an additional 3 minutes to her school. So how long did she take in all to reach to her school? So the total time, okay, the total time taken to arrive at school the total time taken to arrive at school would be equal to the 6 minutes, right, plus the 9 minutes plus the 45 minutes, right, plus the additional 3 minutes, right, to get to the school, right, from the bus, from the drop-off point. Good. So 6 plus 9 is 15, right, 15 minutes, plus 45 plus 3 is 48 minutes, right, and the sum of 15 minutes and 48 minutes is 63 minutes, right? So that's the total time taken for Renee to travel from home to school. Okay, that's the total time taken for Renee to reach the school, 63 minutes. Question number 6. I bought 7 mangoes costing 125 cents each and 5 apples costing 225 cents each. What amount of money did I spend? Okay, so a question like that is very straightforward. You have the number of units of each item bought, and you have the cost for each of the 2 different items. So in a situation like that, what you have to do, you have to take the, right, and I'll do it down here. Well, I'll do the first one on the side here, right? So number 6, the cost, the total cost, right, the total cost would be equal to, just get some space on the side here, equal to the unit cost. So for mangoes, the unit cost, right, for mangoes multiplied by the number of units of mangoes bought, right, and then you have to take that and add it to the unit cost for, what's the other item, apples, right, the unit cost for apples, right, times the number of apples bought, or the number of units of apples bought, right? So then the unit cost for mangoes would be 125 cents, and you bought 7 mangoes, so that's 125 cents times 7, right? So that's 125 cents times 7, so 125 cents, okay, times 7, right? And then for apples it's 225 cents, okay, 225 cents times 5, because 5 apples were bought, right? So 225 cents times, right, times 5. So 125 times 7, right, well, let's see, right, so 7 times 100 is 700, and 7 times 25 is 155. Let's see, so 7 5s 35, okay, remember 3 7 2 is 14, and 3 is 17, right, and 7 1 7 and 1 is 8, so 875, right, 875 cents plus 5 times 225, okay, so 5 times 200 is 1,000, and 5 times 25 is 125, so that's 1,125, right, 1,125 cents. So the total amount of money spent is the sum of these two, right? The sum of these two. So that's, let's work it out on the side there. That's 1125 plus 875. So 5 and 5 is 10, 7 and 2 is 9, and 1 is 10, 8 and 1 is 9, and 1 is 10, and 1 and 1 is 2. So that's 2,000 cents, right? That's the total amount spent, right? 2,000 cents. Okay, and right, and they didn't say to express our answers in dollars or cents, so I'll just leave it as cents. So you could write your answer as, right, 2,000 cents. That would be $20, right? Because if you divide 2,000 by 100, right, $20 is basically 2,000 divided by 100, because there is 100 cents in a dollar, and the zero here would cancel off that, this one would cancel off this one, and you would be left with $20, right? So the answer for number 6 is $20, or you could say 2,000 cents, right? $20 or 2,000 cents, right? That's the total of amount of money spent, okay, on the mangoes and the apples. Let's look at number 7. It says here a mini-mart had 39 kilograms of carrots, okay, 39 kilograms of carrot when it opened on Monday morning. During the day, the shop received a delivery of 63 kilograms of carrots and sold, okay, it sold 27 kilograms of carrots. How many kilograms of carrots were left when it closed on Monday evening? So the first thing you have to do is to add up the total number of carrots, right, that were in stock during the day. So you start off with 39 kilograms, and then you got a delivery of 63 kilograms, right? So 39 plus 63, well, let's see what that is equal to. So 39 plus 63, right? 9 and 3 is 12, okay, and 6 and 3 is 9, and 1 is 10. So 102 kilograms, right, as part of the total stock during the day, right? So that's 102 kilograms of carrots, and out of that 102 kilograms of carrots, 27 kilograms was sold. So then you have to say 102 kilograms subtract 27 kilograms, right? That would give you your answer. So let's work out that. So 102, right, 102 subtract 27. You cannot get 7 from 2, so you borrow 1 from the 10. It becomes 9, and you put the 1 next to the 2, so you get 12. So 12 take away 7 is 5, and 9 take away 2, that would be 7. So 75 kilograms of carrots remaining, okay? So when the shop was left, when the shop was closed in the evening on Monday, there was 75 kilograms of carrots left. Okay, and that's the answer there. Okay, so the answer for number 6, again, the answer for number 6 was $20, or you could say 2,000 cents, and the answer for number 7 is 75 kilograms, which is the number or the amount of kilograms of carrots that were left when the mini-mart was closed on Monday evening. Okay, so these were the last 2 questions. So thank you very much for looking at this video. I hope it was of help to you. Please comment any questions you may have. Please comment, like the video, subscribe for more videos like these. Also, I have placed a link in the description of this video. The link is to a Google form with some questions, some multiple choice questions on the content of this video, so that you can assess yourself to determine how well you have grasped the concepts presented. Thank you very much. It was a pleasure. Do enjoy.